Hey there, and thanks for gifting yourself these next few minutes. It's important to remember that you're a priority, and allowing yourself even just a few short minutes of intentional can really have a positive impact on the rest of your day. So let's use these next few minutes to come back to center and set an intention for the rest of your day. Before we get into the video, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. We will try to personally reply to your comment. Gratitude is one of the keys to a successful life. Developing that virtue daily multiplies the positive aspects that our reality can have. Good health, a prosperous job, a beautiful family, among others. That means that as you are grateful for what you have, the universe listens to you and sends you more blessings in addition to the ones you already have. If you want to have a full life, you should give gratitude a special space in your life. A gratitude journal in which you write down everything you are grateful for.